I think the core passion has to start from having a love of film and television, for having an enthusiasm or maybe an obsession with certain areas of film and television production. Our course prepares students to enter film and television art department. It gives them an understanding of production design for designing for all range of film and television programs and genre. Students have a real practical element of the course where they work with film students, art directing their final year films. And in that process, production groups are formed that emulate industry. There'll be a producer, director, lighting director, and an art department. So they all have to communicate and understand each other's roles. The course encourages work experience. We've had students who have been able to go on to Doctor Who through Screen Alliance Wales, and recent graduates have worked on things like Paddington 3, Saltburn, Chicken Run 2. If you're a huge fan of Doctor Who, or if you've watched Lord of the Rings a million times, it's those kind of students that we know will do well on the course and will want to enter industry.